Hello, my name is Francis Tule. I work here at East African Roofing Systems. We are the producers of the Tiger brand. We deal in mainly construction material, steel related. If you look at Tiger chain link, Tiger iron sheets, Tiger bars, Tiger welded mesh, Tiger BRC, name it. You are a one-stop center for steel material. You can check us out on our website. You'll find all the details for the construction material. You can go through, look at the pricing. We're one of the best pricing policies. We have you can open an account with us, save money with us as you're planning your projects. When they come through, you come and take material. We have a website with a product catalog. You can have a look at it and see which one suits you best. Well, we have so many agents around Uganda and the region at best. If you look at Uganda, I'm talking about Masaka, Mbarara, in the north, everywhere. Then in the region, I'm talking about Kenya, I'm talking about South Sudan, I'm talking about Congo, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania. We're all over that place. We have agents all over in these areas. Well, people are asking how affordable are we? Like I was explaining, we have many ways of payment. You can choose to save with us. You pay here with us in bits. And then when you're ready, you can come and take. Our products are quite affordable, given the quality they have. They're very good quality products. And really would like you. We have very good sales executives here who will guide you in due respect with the pricing and everything. You're going to ask me how do you pay? Well, we pay through many avenues, as you know. You can use mobile money. You can come to our offices here in Zana, off Entebbe Road. You can pay us here, or you can. Well, it's quite a simple method. We don't advise you paying people, field agents money. We don't advise that. We'll advise you to use it's e-world, use e-commerce. You can send a direct payment from the bank. We have all our banks listed there. You can check out our website; they're all there. We don't encourage payment in cash to our field people. Well, these products, after we sell them to you, we can deliver them to your places as long as it's within Uganda.